हेलो किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे ए बी सी डी ए टू जी। लेट्स लर्न कलर्स नेम। पर्पल, स्काई ब्लू, लाइट ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज, ब्लू, ब्राउन। Let's learn colors name. Light green, blue, sky blue, yellow, orange, brown, black, pink, red, purple and green color. Kids, this is letter A. A for apple. Now we are tracing letter B. B for ball. Kids, this is letter C. C for cat. This is letter D. D for dog. Kids, this is letter E. E for eagle. F for fan. G for grass. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.